guys, welcome to Comandante. So today I want to show you a quick way to clean your grinder. That's going to include disassembling your grinder and reassembling it, so we'll do everything together. So first things first, you want to take the glass off because we are going to unscrew the dial here all the way. So as if you're making the grind coarser and coarser until this comes off. So you can do it like this, or if you hold the dial with your finger, you need to be careful not to cut your finger on the burr here. If you hold the dial with your finger, then you can turn the handle as well. So it's always good to do this above a flat surface or a table so that nothing rolls away. Then you can just lay everything out nicely. So particularly be careful that the washers don't run away. And once you have everything apart and laid out in front of you, then I always find it best to clean the grinder just with some brushes, just brush it clean. You can use a dishwasher, or you can use soap and water to clean the glass. A brush like the ones that we have here, the number 4 brush, are perfect for cleaning the bottom of the grinder here, for cleaning the cone, the individual pieces, and for cleaning the outer burr and inside. Something like a bottle brush or an old toothbrush is great just to get in there on the 3 sides of the spindle and get out any old coffee dust that you don't want in there. I always say it's good to clean your grinder once every 1 or 2 weeks. Just keeps everything running smoothly. And if you're changing coffees and you want to keep it nice and neutral, then obviously having a clean grinder is better for that. So putting it back together again. The first thing here is to take your washers. You'll notice, this is very important, that the washers have 2 different sides. On one side you have a flat surface, and on the other side you have a raised edge. So the raised edge is always in contact with the bearings inside the grinder. So when I put the washer in, which is the first step, I only want to be able to see the flat side facing outwards. Axle, and then the crank. So now I can flip the grinder, put that on the table to hold it steady, and again with the washer here, I'm going to put it in so that I can see the flat side, the cone as well. Now with the grinder on the table, I can push the cone down into the grinder, hold it with one free hand, and then I have a free hand to screw the dial back on. So once that's in place, then you're ready to reset your grind and carry on with the next cup of coffee.